Girls, I got you a surprise. Ooh, what is it, Mommy? What is it? This is so cool and squishy. Oh my God. This is gonna be so fun to play with. It's stretchy. Oop, I made a fart noise with it. Okay, I'm gonna open mine and see what texture it is. Let's open it. Oop, okay, now it's open. Let's see. Oop. I'm trying to poke it, but it's not really poking. Ooh, there's a hair right there. Let's take that off. Ooh, this is so cool. Okay, let's put them on the table now, Anya. Okay, let's go. Let's put the hell down. Whatever. Let's move all the chairs out of the way. Okay, I'm going to put mine up here. Elsa, come on, bring yours. I'm going to just sit on the table and get mine out. Ooh, this is going to be so cool. Oh my God, I hope it doesn't stick to my hair. Mine is so fun to play with. Ooh, I'm making footprints. Come on, Elsa, bring yours. Okay, I'm bringing it. I'm going to be on this side of the table. Oop, okay, get it out. Okay, I'm getting it out. Come on, out. Come on. There we go. Let me just throw this on the side. Ooh, mine is not really stretchy. It breaks apart real easily. That's not fair. Can I play with yours, Anya? No, you cannot play with mine. Why, though? I want to play with yours. It looks so much fun and stretchy. Oh, my God. It's sticking to my dress. Oh, my God. That's so funny. Okay, I'll play with mine a little bit, and then you can play with and then we can trade. Okay, let's start playing. I'm just going to stand right here because I don't want to fall off the table. Okay, this is so fun to poke. Oh my God. Elsa, come feel mine. Okay, I'm coming. Let's step on it. Oh my God. This is so fun. Oh my goodness. Yahoo! Oh, they're getting mixed up with each other. Let's move them aside. Okay. Now I'm going to put mine in the container and then we can play with yours right now. Okay. Let's put it in the middle. Oh my God, this is so fun. Okay, you stretch it from one side and I'll stretch it from the other. Look how far it can stretch. I know, right? And it's so sticky. Okay, I just got a really perfect idea. Why don't we put on our swimsuits and come and play with it and sit on it, and have a throw slime balls at each other. Oh my God, that's such a good idea. Let's do that. Okay, let's go change and put on our swimsuits. Okay, let's go. Oh my God, this is gonna be so fun. My hair looks so messy, doesn't it? Yep, it does. And my hair looks like a messy bun on top of me. Okay, let's get it all over us, but not on our hair. Okay, oh my God, this is gonna be so fun. I'm gonna put it all over my body. Me too. Let's just stretch it out. Oh my God, this is so fun. It's so stretchy, right? Yeah, I know. Oh my God, it's gonna stick all over us. And it's fine, we'll just go shower. Yep, you're right. Okay, let's make ourselves look like mummies. Yep, okay, I'll go first, and then you can go, Elsa. Yeah, okay, let me just take this off of me. Oh my God, it's so sticky. I got some on my thighs. Okay, there. I'm just going to sit right here while you do it. Okay, let me wrap it all around me. This is going to be... Wait, let me take it off and stretch it really good. This better not get in my hair or Mommy will kill me. Wrap it. Oh my God, this is so cool, Elsa. Look at me. I'm about to look like a mummy. Elsa, Anya, looking like a mummy is not good. Well, it's fun, and I'm going to do it. Look at me. Oh my God. Oh my God, I cannot stand up. Oh, Elsa, I think I need some help. Well, why did you do it? Well, because it's fun. And, I look like a mummy right now. Oh, Dad, you look like a stupid mummy. This is not fair. Okay, help me take it off. Okay, I'm gonna help you. I'm trying to take it off, but it's not working. Oh, come on, before Mommy comes. Okay, I'm trying. Oh, it's not working. Okay, now I can take it off. Okay, there we go. I'm done. Why did you do that? Because it's fun. Okay, let's step all over it. Yup, you're right. Let's do that. Oh my god, this is so fun. Let's jump. What if we break the dining table by jumping on it? Oh, it's fine. Let's just keep jumping and making footprints. Okay, let's stretch it now. Whee! This is so fun to stretch. Oh, let's roll around in it. Sit. Okay, there we go. Oh my god. It can hold us still. I can't get up. It's stuck to my thigh. What? I can get up. Why can you not get up? Because it's stuck on me. I can't. Okay, now I'm up. Oh, Elsa, you scared me for a second. Oh, well, whatever. Okay, what should we do now with it? Should we play with the other one? Nah, I like this one more. Yep, I know. It's so fun to play with. Step. Okay, so we're going to split it in half, and I get to play with one half, and you play with the other. Okay. So we're going to split it in half, and you're going to play with one half, and I'm going to play with the other. Oh, this is so fun. Ooh, let's stretch it. Oh my god, this is so stretchy. Oh, we got to get it off. Oh my god, we can't get it off. It's stuck all over us. Okay, mine is off, and I don't have anything anywhere. Okay, that's good. I don't have anything. Okay, then help me. I'm trying. I am literally full of glitter, Anya. Well, that's not my fault. Yes, it is. This is your slime. No, it's both of ours. Ugh, fine. Okay, I'm just going to shake it off. Okay, it's gone now. Ugh, this is not fair. Okay, I think that we should play with the other one now. Okay. Let's throw this one in its container. Wait, where's the container, Elsa? I gave it to you, Anya. No, you didn't, Elsa. Where is it? Let me go get it. Okay, I'm just going to wait right here. I'm going to go get it. Okay. I got it. Yep. Okay, let's put it in. It's not going in. Come on, help me, Elsa. Well, I can't help you this container. I'm holding it. Okay. Oh, come on, go in. I think it's too big now. Well, it came in the container, so there's no way it grew. Slime does not grow. It's not going in. Okay, now it's in. I'm just going to put it aside right here. Okay, let me get the other one. Yep, this is going to be so fun. Let's take it out. Okay, I'm going to take it out. Okay, fine. I'm going to hold it. Come on. Get out. Okay, there we go. Slime. This is so cool. Why is it not stretching? I don't know. Why is it not stretching? Come on, let's try to stretch it. It's not. It's broken. Look. It's like jelly slime. Oh my god, it's so jelly. Let's shake it. Look at this. It's so cool. Yeah, I know, you're right. Oh my god, that's so cool. Let's stretch it. Anya, this is not stretchable. Your slime is horrible, and it gets glitter all over us. Look, I just touched it with my hand, and I already have glitter all over me. Oh, should we actually play with it? It's getting glitter everywhere. I don't know if we should play with it, Elsa. I don't know. I think we should put it back. No, let's play with it some more. But there's not really anything to do with it. I mean, we can poke it with our feet. Okay, let's poke it. Make footprints. Let's jump. It's really good for jumping on. Jump. This is so fun. I know, right? Jump, 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 jump. That was so fun. Okay, I think that we should put it up. Let me get the container. This one wasn't really fun. I like the stretchy one more. Oh, Elsa, help me. Oh my god, it's getting my hair. There we go. There. Oh, it fell. Oh my god, it's stuck. Oh, okay, it's not stuck. There we go. It's good. Yep, you're right. It's perfectly good. Okay, so what should we do now? I don't know. What should we do? Oh my god, Elsa, look at this. Look right. Bubble. Oh my god, I really want to pop it. Let me see. It made a bubble and it's so cool. Oh my god, that is so cool. Let's pop. No, Anya, don't. Let's just look at it. Let's pop. It's not popping. It's stuck to my foot. Oh my god, let's put it in. Okay, there we go. That was so cool. I love this one. Yep, you're right. And I don't even think it's... Wait, let's put it on the table. It's not even slime. Look at what it says. It's called Flarp Glitter Putty. It's putty, and that one is supposed to be slime, but it's not even stretchy. It's like a jelly slime. Yeah, I know, you're right. Literally, look at it. It's the one that's stretchy. Like, I'm going to stretch it. Look, it stretches. Yep, you're right. What should we do now? I'm going to go take a shower and get all this glitter off of me. Okay, you can go do that. I'm going to put this away and clean this table. Okay, and then once you're finished, I'm going to go shower. Okay, I'm going. Okay, and there we go. I'm going to put this one right here, and I'm going to get the other one and put it on top of it. Wait, I should put the bigger one on the bottom. Okay, and there. This table has glitter all over it. Should just take it off the table, and I have glitter all over myself. Okay, I'm going to bring the chairs back. Let's put them all back. Okay, and there. I'm going to go take a shower now. Hey, Anya, are y'all finished playing with the slime? Did y'all like it? Yes, Mommy, we loved it. Oh, thank you for getting it to us. You're welcome, girls. It didn't cost that much. It was like just $1 for each. Yeah, I know. This putty was so great. What putty? The pink one. It wasn't even slime. What? It wasn't slime? Yeah, it says putty on it. Look, it's over there. Oh, you're right. I know I'm right. It says putty on it instead of slime. So I think, and the slime was not even stretchy. It was like jelly slime. Jelly slime? What's jelly slime? Slime that acts like jelly and it's not even stretchable. Oh, was it fun to jiggle? Yep, it was. Okay, where's Elsa? She's taking a shower. Why are y'all girls in your swimsuits? Well, because we were playing with it and we got it all over ourselves and we have glitter all over us. So we're going to go shower, go take a shower. Oh, so we're going to go take a shower. Oh, good girls. Okay, so is Elsa finished? Yep, I think she's finished. So I'm going to go take a shower. Okay, girls, go ahead. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.